May is Lyme Disease Awareness Month in North America, but it's not an illness most Albertans have had to concern themselves with. However, now that nice weather is finally here, officials want us to be on the lookout for ticks. Susan Amarangan is here now to tell us more about that. Sue.
So, Carmen, ticks can be found on animals and people, and while Lyme disease may not be common here, climate change could change that.
Like a seed. Oh, there it goes, climbing up, trying to get to me.
Daniel Fitzgerald has looked at thousands of these predators under a microscope, but he has yet to become their prey.
She is alive.
The lab tech studies ticks to see which variety might carry the bacteria that can cause Lyme disease.
Lyme is named after Lyme, Connecticut, where it was described.
That was back in the 70s. The infected ticks spread to other areas in North America and Canada, but Alberta seemed immune. Dr. James Talbot says our cold winters would kill the creatures.
The concern is that with global climate change, which we are seeing, and in general milder winters, that may no longer apply, and so we have to be more vigilant.
The vigilance started last year with a tick surveillance program.
Ticks are predicted to increase generally over the next few years.
Fitzgerald says ticks can be found anywhere and come in assorted sizes.
The spring is when you'll see the most ticks attaching.
When they attach and then bite, they can secrete a substance causing victims to become sick. Early symptoms can include a flu-like illness and a rash that might look like a bullseye. Other signs of infection are joint pain and neurological problems, such as impaired muscle movement. There were 8 lab-confirmed Lyme disease cases in Alberta in 2011 and 2012, 19 cases last year.
And all of these have history of travel to areas where it's endemic.
But that's not to say the disease couldn't become endemic here.
I think if global climate change continues as the way people say, yes, it's going to become established.
Which makes surveillance even more important.
We want to see what's out there in Alberta, and the more we get in, the better we're able to say what people are being exposed to and what animals are being exposed to.
To find out how to report a tick, or if you have questions about Lyme disease, you can visit our website and click on Your Health.